Hello, and welcome to another update video about Rune. Yeah, nobody should be surprised that this is just moving and moving and moving. I very clearly indicated that a break above $3.30, I think it was, or $3.40, would likely take us straight to around about $8, with possible setbacks around $5.48 and $6.38. I am just adding here, or I'm just moving the support area with the price. Again, that support area is not there for you to say, okay, it will come down now. This is simply support in case the wave 4 pullback shows. I'm not even sure if we really get that very clear wave 4, as I said, for a reason that it can go quite quickly, like for example Solana, if we get a sustained break above $3.40. So nobody should be surprised very clearly. Yeah. It could still just be an ABC structure. That's possible as well. So it could break down after we complete this, but that's why we're tracking support. Okay. For now, I cannot even clearly see 5 waves in the larger degree third wave, which indicates, yeah, we should be pushing a little higher. Again, the next key levels are 548. We've basically reached that next target already. That's the 1.236 extension level. That's, by the way, near, well, that is, if you're following, you might be following Solana as well. Solana is currently basically at the 1.38 extension. And it did that also without much effort. So that's the next key level here, $6.38 and then $8.21 for a third wave. Very common, because here we're not dealing with a diagonal. We're likely dealing with an impulse, which indicates that, yeah, we could see much more aggressive price action to the upside actually form here. Then a wave 4 to the downside should follow at some point. Once we have a confirmed top in place in 3, we might add a support area for 4. And then the wave 5 could actually still push us even higher, possibly even towards $10 to $12. By the way, you might hear the dogs in the background. Important to understand also some of the indicators, like on the 4-hour chart, the RSI is very much overheated. So let's zoom in. We're overbought. Okay, you actually start to see here bearish divergences now on the RSI. But typically, I mean, if the wave count is correct, we should be in a third of a third wave rally. Typically, you would expect the highest reading. I mean, it doesn't always happen, but the highest reading in a third of a third. So we might push a little higher than this end of October reading. Now the MACD definitely shows that. Let's say here we are, that's definitely the highest reading, supporting the idea that this is a third of a third wave. Looking at the daily chart as well, the MACD doesn't show any sign of stopping, and the RSI is also, yes, overbought, but that's not bearish. We don't even see really any clear bearish divergence here on the daily RSI. So it's still pushing. And on the daily RSI, I mean, I would rule that out. I would not use that to determine a bearish divergence. It's just too far away. And we also went down below 50 before. No, there is no bearish divergence here. Instead, we are pushing higher, have a new high reading in this entire rally here, which again would suggest we are in a third of a third wave. But again, it can still push higher. I mean, the last high was at 90. Could easily go a little higher. Okay, so we'll see. I mean, the price action suggests we haven't seen any, we're not exhausted. Okay, so it's just pushing. And anybody who watched the previous videos was well informed. I can't really add anything else, but support is now changed to $2.82 to $3.97. That's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.